In addition to using the voice interfaces to manage your mailbox, you can log into a website called Web PhoneManager to manage your mailbox using a web browser. Anything that's available to you over the voice interface is available through a web browser using this site. This includes managing your messages, changing your greetings, changing distribution lists if you sponsor any, and any other setting that is available to your mailbox. Let's log in. You browse to the site, enter in your mailbox, and put in your security code. If you have a local message store on the CX system, as opposed to server-based unified messaging, you will see your inbox, including your saved and deleted messages, and a dashboard. Greetings can be found under Personal Settings, Recordings. You simply click on the button, and a management window will come up to let you record or review your greetings. Now remember, the system will have to call your telephone in order for you to record a greeting. If you sponsor any distribution list, you'll see them under Personal Settings, Distribution Lists. Simply click on the list, and then you can add and remove members by simply clicking on them and pressing Add. If you want to remove them, click on the member that you want to remove and press Remove. When you're finished modifying your distribution list, press OK. This is also where you can enter in any phone numbers that you have, like your mobile phone number or your remote office number. Change your security code. Manage how you would like your mailbox and messages presented to you. Change your time zone. If you would like to be called of a new message, under notification settings, you will find the settings to have the system call you. There's a number of different ways that the system can alert you of new messages by making a phone call. The first is immediate message notification, and the second is the daily message reminder. Remember, if you do not have these features enabled in your mailbox, you will not see them in Web PhoneManager. Daily Message Reminder will basically call the phone number that you enter in here to tell you of the presence of new messages at a specific time of day, kind of a legacy feature. Immediate Message Notification is used for all other types of callouts. These could be calls to a phone, calls to a pager. To turn Immediate Message Notification on, you simply click Enable Immediate Message Notification. Pick which type of message you want, urgent or all messages. You can be notified of messages only from a specific mailbox if you would like that as well. By leaving this selection blank, you will be notified of all messages from all mailboxes. You can select the message types. If you have fax and email integration, you can elect to have a notification call out made with the presence of fax or email messages in your inbox. And then over to the right here, you have the time of day and days of week that you want this to be active. There are some parameters here for if the system encounters a busy phone number, and then a selection for how many times you want to go through this call list. To enter a number to be called, you just simply enter in a telephone number, and then select what type of call this is going to be. Now, normal is a regular call out. This means the system will call, wait for an answer, tell the person that answers of the presence of new messages for this person's mailbox, your mailbox in this case, and give you the opportunity to log in and listen to those messages. Radio pager is just a simple beep type pager that you don't see much of nowadays. Digital pager, which should, if it's configured properly, put maybe the callback number or your mailbox in the display, and then a PIN pager. PIN pager, then you would put in the PIN number here to alert the pager. I'm going to select a normal call out. Now you can select a certain wait time before trying other numbers on the list. This is called cascade notification. If you're satisfied with the settings here, just simply press OK. An immediate message notification is now enabled. If you wish to turn this off at any given time, but keep all your settings, you just simply uncheck the Enable Immediate Message Notification checkbox. Now you have your parameters all set up for when you need it, but it is not running at this current time. To log out, just simply press Log Out. So you see, Web PhoneManager makes it very simple to manage your CX mailbox.